Today's Thursday, April 18th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado power antenna that has been repaired for my friend Gary Jules in Pennsylvania. This is the 4-wire variant used between 73 and 76, and this is the 1976 specific version. The unit has a limiting function, which has a minor rise of approximately 10 to 12 inches when the radio knob is first turned on, and full retraction when the radio knob is turned off. In addition to that, these variant antennas also had the function for the complete extension up to 36-inch rise using the up-down separate actuating button switch inside the instrument cluster area, whereby you could have manual intervention and raise and lower the antenna as required, from all the way down to all the way up. So I'm going to do a functional validation test. The unit is connected to power, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the limiting function. And the unit rises the 10 to 12 inch limited extension. Now I'll go ahead and do the full extension as if I was actuating the up-down switch in the instrument cluster, and we have the full 36-inch extension. Now I'll do a full retraction. And the unit self-parks. I'll go ahead and I'll do a limiting rise one more time. 10 to 12 inch rise and a full retraction. And the unit self-parks. So this is a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado power antenna for my friend Gary in Pennsylvania. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1976 Cadillac Eldorado parts and 250,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I also rebuild the power antennas, the power seat mechanisms, and I provide show quality restoration of the steering wheels and the steering columns. Today is April 18th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.